Hello everyone. Today I would like to share you a eye massager. Many people now work long hours at the computer, often stay up late to work overtime, serious lack of sleep. Students study for a long time and work homework. Some of the common problems include dark circle under the eyes, puffy eyes, and eye bags will appear. After a while, these things can cause you to look much older than you really are. For people who don't have the time or the energy to go to cosmetic clinics and spas, having your own eye massager at home is the best thing. Touch the eye decorative ring with your fingers. The instrument beauty hand comes in to touch the carrying air. Arnic from a loop, eye implant mood start. At this point, you can experience high-speed micro vibration massage. The blue rain function open at the same time has anti-inflammatory effects. Push the infrared on key, infrared function open. The temperature is gradually raised to 45 degrees and then kept at the curtain's temperature. Finger can leave arnic ring. After cleaning the skin, apply eye cream around the eyes. You can also don't use eye cream. Remove the instrument. Touch the eye decorative ring with your fingers. Then close your eyes and relax yourself. From the nose to the corner of your eye, follow your eye contours to scroll. Push the infrared on key, infrared function open. Close your eyes and repeat the massage for 1 minute on each eye. Eye massage can also be applied to the face. This eye massager uses the USB to charge, and each charge can be used for a long time. Put it into the multifunctional bracket after use. Multifunction brackets can be also used as a phone bracket.